Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have some baby albums to share with you guys. And although I made both girl and boy baby albums, I just wanted to show you guys that I did make both. So if you didn't see the other video, go check it out. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the boy versions of the album. The It's a Girl, I will link down below if it's posted already. And if not, that means it'll be coming. But yeah, so check out the girl in a separate video. This video is going to be all about the boys. So to get started, let me put these two aside, but let me show you guys the paper that I used. And I used this collection called It's a Boy by Echo Park. And I think this is one of their newer collections because I have a ton of their baby paper, guys. I don't know what it is, but I just love making baby albums. They're just so adorable and so cute. Specifically baby boy ones because, I don't know, I feel like the baby boy papers are a little bit cuter, but maybe I'm just biased because of my nephew. But because I make some things for him and I don't know. I think it's adorable paper, even though I have a niece also. I don't know. I think the boy paper is just so adorable. Anyway, so It's a Boy by Echo Park. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. So here are my scraps from 12 sheets, okay? I was able to get 2 albums, so I used 12 sheets in each album. I took out 12 sheets, and this is the scraps I had left from the 12 sheets. I'm going to try and make a card with this or something because there is some like little cut apart in here that says welcome baby boy that I could use. And there's some larger pieces in here as well that I can use on a card. So I will try to do that and I could get 2 cards because then here's the other scraps from the other 12 sheets. So again, I was able to get 2 albums out of 1 6x6 paper pad. So I will have this collection linked down below for you guys if you guys are interested. And let's get started and I'll show you guys what these albums look like on the inside. So from the front cover, you guys could see that these albums are a little bit different, but they are also very similar. Same kind of layout, same style, just the embellishments might differ a little bit in these albums. So on the front cover here, which is different from my baby girl one, like here I did a border. Here I used some more scraps of paper to kind of paper piece and make a pattern. And I added my cut apart on top of all that. And then I just used some stickers because I actually had some stickers, like boy stickers from my stash that I was able to use in here. And there's one that says congratulations, one that says that you are our whole world with a little koala. And I think it's so cute. So this one has a little koala. And these stickers are just from my stash. They're from Hobby Lobby. I got them when they were in the clearance section. So I got them at a really good price. And I don't know if they have any more of these, but I really like these little animal critters for baby albums specifically, so I always just put them in with my baby stash. I just think they look so cute. So that's this one, and this other one has a little fox and it says new arrival. They both have a blue tie ribbon closure. The spines are pretty much the same with the exception of the sticker here, and the back sides are pretty much the same as well. And both of these are available in my Etsy shop in case you guys are interested in purchasing them. So I'll show you guys one and then I'll show you guys the differences. So when you open this up, it looks like this. It's just so cute. So this one says, welcome little one. We love you so much. You have space for 8 photos here in this waterfall. So you could do the back, the front, so 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. You could add another photo there. If you want to do journaling on any of these, you can, but know that you do have that space for photos, journaling, however you want to do it. But if you wanted to do all photos, you can get 8 photos on the front and on the back. So that's 16 photos just right there. This is like the perfect like little newborn kind of baby album. I think it's adorable. Or like you could even gift this to somebody as like a baby shower gift. It's such a great gift idea. So here I have this little cut apart from the collection, and it says oh baby, that I just made into like a little flip thing, and you could do some journaling here, like the weight of the baby, maybe where it was born, the color of its eyes, how big the baby is when it was born, just some little notes about the baby. And then here I have a embellishment that says Miracle, and just a tag that's decorated with some little critters down here. And then the back is just white blank and some seam binding and an eyelet. Seam binding is from my Scrap Cabin Shop, which I will have her link down below. I love her seam binding. I use it all the time. It is absolutely perfection. So these go back in here into this belly band. Then at the top here, you have a pull-out insert. So you could add more photos here, and you could do journaling on the back, or you could add more photos here as well. So I would probably add 2 photos, top and bottom. So you can get 4 photos on here, or 2 larger photos, however you want to do that. Or if you just want to add 2 photos or 1 photo and then do journaling here. So that's why when people say like this many photos to this many photos, it's a range, because it depends on what size photos that you're using. Like these, you could get 8 here for sure, because that's like a 1 size. But here, this is a bigger insert, so you could do 2 photos if you wanted to, and you could do 2 on the back. So that's already 12 photos just on that. And then you have another 8 over here, so it's already 20 photos. But if you do 1 photo here, then obviously you don't have as many. So it just depends. But this lives back in here. It just goes into this insert in that pocket. Then on the back here, you flip this, you have one of the cut-aparts from the collection that says Welcome Baby Boy, and I just made it a little smaller and made it into a flag. You've got this larger cut-apart that I made into a little booklet. It says Hello Little One, and this just opens up like that. So here you can add a photo here, 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 and here, or you could add a photo and do journaling, and then you could always add another photo to the back. So you could get 3 photos out of here, but if you just want to add 1 and then journaling, you could do that as well, but then again, you have less photos. So it really just depends on the person that's decorating their album. And then I also made a tag. The tag here, I have like some twine that I made into a bow with a little button sticker from some collection. It's not from the same collection, but some collection that I had in my baby boy stash that I was able to use there, and I think that looks cute. And the back side is just blank white, so you could write stuff on here or journal. You could add a photo here, do journaling top and bottom, however you want to do it, or you could add 2 photos. It's up to the recipient. And then this says Love You Forever, just another embellishment from my stash. Flips open like that. You could do journaling here or add a photo. You could even add a photo here as well under that like piece. And you could add more photos into the pockets. So there's definitely space for photos in this album. Even though it's small, there's definitely plenty of space for photos. Okay, so then the back side of this album has another waterfall. As I showed you guys a little bit earlier in the video when I was showing you guys both waterfalls, you have 8 more spaces for photos. This one says Our Tiny Miracle, just a different cut apart, and I arranged the papers a little different just because here I started with yellow, ended with yellow. Here the cut apart was like that minty color, turquoisey color, so then I ended with that color as well, just to keep it kind of the same, because I didn't want 2 of the same color right after one another. And then just the back side as you guys saw. But let me show you guys some differences with the other album, with the exception of the cover that was a little different. So the other one said Miracle on the belly band. This one says So Many of My Smiles Begin With You. And this one is the one with the fox. And you can see all the photos and stuff on my Etsy as well. And then this only other difference here is the other one had a light blue button here. This one has dark. And then this cut apart here as well. So the other one said Love You Forever. This one says You Are Perfect Just the Way You Are. But otherwise, everything else is the same. So just some minor differences in this one on the inside, whereas the other ones, the girl ones, if you guys saw that video, those are pretty much, they're the same on the inside. They're just different on the outside. But this one just has a couple of little different embellishments on the inside as well. But both very, 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 very similar. And I totally forgot to mention, if you guys wanted to create this album, there is a tutorial on my channel. It is one of my scrappy Christmas crafts videos, and I will link it down below. So if you guys want to make it, you guys can. But in addition to that, it's also available in my Etsy shop, these albums, the boy ones and the girl ones. if you guys are interested in purchasing any of them and giving to somebody as a gift for a baby shower or for yourself to catch up on some photos of your baby, whatever it is. So very, very cute albums. I hope you guys check them out in my Etsy shop if you're interested. Check out the link to the paper, the link to the tutorial. Check out all the links in the description box down below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.